everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day today. It's pretty nice here in BC. It's a little crispy, but it is clear, so that's kind of nice. I hope everybody's staying safe. And today I have a Disney haul from Florida from my personal shopper. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and start watching. And in the meantime, please subscribe, like, and share. And make sure you hit the bell so every time I upload videos you won't miss out. And if you're returning, thanks. Alrighty, came in a box like this. Alright, it's from Mouseaholic Shopping. She's excellent. She's in Florida, so if you need anything, she will definitely help you out, and she can find hard to find Disney items. So, especially during the holidays are coming up, or if you have grandkids that you're looking to buy for, or just yourself, she's excellent. So I'll leave all her information below. Her name's Lindsay. And my other personal shopper is not Megan. I keep calling her Megan, I don't know why. But her real name is Melissa, and she's with Mickey Delivery Service, so I'll leave her information below as well. She shops for a limited amount of people, so she's also a personal shopper, and she also does live stream, she does pins, she does, you know, a whole bunch of stuff too. Alright, and she's excellent as well. So I felt kind of embarrassed because I kept calling her Megan. And then finally, I guess because I called Megan so many times, which is pretty embarrassing, she finally said, "Hey, my name isn't Megan, it's Melissa. But some people call me Michelle, but not Megan." I said, "Wow, I'm really sorry. God, how embarrassing is that?" But do you ever get something like in your mind and you can't get out of it? Seen your moment. Alright. So she wrapped it up in a bag. Came in a box and it came in a bag. So that's cool. Okay, that's empty. Alright, let's see what she found for me. Alright, so I got Madame Leota card case. Pretty cool. So that's gonna go in my Madame Leota bag for the Haunted Mansion. And then you can put your ID in the back there. And you can put this in other bags too. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright. What else did she get me here? Okay, and this is a Parks exclusive for Pandora. Came in a box like that. Ted says hi to everyone. He got a surprise for his birthday, so I hope he likes it. Okay, that's what it looks like. So that's a pretty cool box. It says Disney Parks exclusive Pandora, and it's all in like pink rose gold. Huh, that's very cool. Alright, it comes in a little ribbon. And what it is, it's Mickey on one end in like a pumpkin shape. And then the other side says Boo, and you can only get it in Disney Parks. You can't order it online or anything like that. And they're little, so they're kind of hard to see, but And then the other side says Boo, and it's in orange and black. So I'll take pictures of them so you guys can see. Because they're kind of, like I said, they're kind of hard to see. They don't really focus that good. And it could be the operator. So I appreciate you guys having patience because I'm not the best. But I try. Alright. And she also found me a Haunted Mansion wallet. This has pretty good placing on it. A Dooney. And you can also use it like as a wristlet. It's got a lot of card slots on it. And this is brand new from the parks. Let me take all that out. Yeah, this is cool. It's got purple inside, and it also comes with, all Dooneys should come with the registration card like this. So if you don't get a card, then there may be a problem with what you're actually getting. So you have to kind of be careful if you're getting a Dooney and you don't see the registration card. There may or may not be an issue, but for anything that's new, should have a registration card. And that's the back strap. The inside part. The inside has a zipper. And the card. And that purple is really pretty. Alright, so that's my Disney haul for today with the personal shoppers from Florida. Which, like I say, do an excellent job. Alright, so stay tuned for part 3 of my Samorga organize what fits in, starting out with my Fendi bags, Coach, and I believe a Dooney. So I'm putting that together. And hopefully that will be out probably next week sometime. So look forward to that. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys. Thanks for watching.